Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a few YouTube keyboard shortcuts. So if you're using YouTube on your desktop, you can use these. And first of all, we're just going to open up YouTube. On here, choose any video. We just go with this one for now.
In this video,
Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to move my cursor to the side after this. Then it's just okay. I'll play the video and then I'll move my cursor to the side, and then I'm just gonna show just gonna speak about which keys that I'll be pressing. Okay,
I'm going to show you the easiest way
so that is the letter K. So let's pause it right here. I press it again, it should play the video.
to earn money online in 2025. I've
That's the letter K.
tried everything from what nobody speaks
That was the letter L. So that's fast forward.
about, and that is because $1,000 every single month, literally by posting content below the roof open.
That was J. So to rewind 10 seconds, you press the letter
I'm
J.
going to show you exactly, and this is what nobody's speaking about.
I'll just go over a few more. This is the letter T. See, that's full. That's a much bigger theater mode, much bigger screen. Then we'll just go the letter F. Yeah, that's full screen.
And that is because everyone's earning money for this, so they're trying to gatekeep it. So
then just to go to the next video, you press Shift and N. So I've got that.
People are making thousands of dollars each month in passive income by.
And there you go, guys. So those are a few keyboard shortcuts. There are a few more. You can check them out. I can show you guys a bit more if you'd like that. But yeah, hope these helped you, and I hope you find these useful. But yeah, stay tuned for more, guys, for more videos.